Welcome to math class. This week we're going to start out with a review of addition and subtraction. We'll be looking at two-digit addition and two-digit subtraction. With both, we'll be doing some with regrouping and some without. So of course the ones without regrouping just simply mean that we do the operation, whether it's addition and subtraction, without having to do any extra steps. If we end up having to regroup, that means we're going to have to borrow or carry because we have too much in one place value or we don't have enough in one place value. There'll be a few videos in our lessons this week that will walk you through that and describe it not only with words but pictures. I really think that's going to help to explain it to you. The one thing I do ask you to do this week, even though you've tried it in the past, is try your best not to use a calculator. I think if you watch these videos, you'll be able to see uh, it's not that difficult if you try it the way that they do it. And what they do is they draw pictures. If you had me in math class at the elementary school, pictures are what we used all the time. So drawing our sticks and our blocks to represent our numbers or to show our numbers. And then from there, we can add to that by drawing more, or we can take away by erasing and drawing it where it belongs. Although it's been a while since you've done this, I don't want you to get too stressed out. These will be simple lessons. We're doing Nearpods. So it'll be a video followed by a 4 or 6 problem worksheet. That is it. That'll give me an opportunity to see how you're doing. If I notice you're struggling, then I will get a hold of you right away this week through chat or email so that we can set up a time to sit down and walk through it and do it together. I know math is not always the easiest thing for a lot of us, so please understand that I will do a lot of face-to-face lessons with you, and we won't do as many Nearpods if that's what's best for you. Getting back to our Nearpod, please make sure as you do those that you check before you hit the arrow to move on to each slide. Make sure you're hitting submit or done if you're doing some kind of task like a draw it or a collaborate. Because if you do not do that, unfortunately, it will not show me that you did the work, and I'm going to have you do it again. The last thing I wanted to tell you before I let you go and get started with your work for the week is please get a hold of me when you need me. Send me a chat in Teams. If you don't feel comfortable with that, have somebody at home get a hold of me. And from there, we can figure out the best way to help you. Guys, I don't want you stressing over math. I know it's not our easiest subject, but we will figure out a way, whether it's through the phone, through the internet, through email, we will figure out a way to make this work. So give it your best shot. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a good week. Please hit me up with any questions.